Hey guys, I have some really exciting news. I found a company that sends you jewelry. Yeah. Hey guys, I have to tell you about this really awesome company that I found. It's called Rocksbox, and they send you jewelry, usually for a month's time. You get your own stylist. So I got my first batch of jewelry for free, and you can too. I'm going to leave a description down below, okay, in this YouTube video, and it will have a secret code that you can get a free month free, okay? So let's open this up and see what my personal stylist picked for me. Just so you know, your stylist will pick what they think you'll like depending on this test they have you take. They show you pictures of jewelry and you pick what you like, and they pretty much get to know, are you a gold person, a silver person, do you not care, do you like these colors, this style? So check out their website. Once you get your jewelry, you can wear it for as long as you want it, and then you send it right back to them when you're done wearing it. And the shipping's free both ways. The shipping's free both ways. So like, say you wear it for a couple days and you're done with it, you can just send it right back. Okay, you use the same envelope, you just tear off a strip right here, and then you just stick your stuff back in and close it up and send it on its way using the label that's already inside.
Ooh, I'm gorgeous. It says, "Hi, Jamie. Wow, welcome to Rocksbox. I had so much fun styling your first set. Tassels meet crystals in this eye-catching Astrid necklace by Perry Street. Love pairing this glam statement piece with everything from chambray button-downs to chic blouses for the office. These Perry Street Dixie drops in fuchsia are the perfect pop of color to any holiday outfit. The textured details stand out against fur coats and cocktail dresses. Easily achieve the stacked look with this, knock-em-all gold beaded wrap. Pair it with your favorite cuff or watch for a bolder look. Bonus, you now have $21 every month to apply as credit towards an in-box purchase, plus an extra $10 off when you buy the whole set. These pieces are yours to wear and try out while you decide what to keep and what to send back for your next set. Enjoy! How fun is this? Oh wow, 3 satchels. This is so cute. These are the earrings. And you don't have to clean this stuff. They do the cleaning for you. Oh wow, those are pretty. This is beautiful. Last one. A bracelet. I have a little wrist, so I hope it fits me. Whoa, it looks adjustable. Oh wow, you just keep wrapping it around yourself. How cool is that? So it'll definitely fit me. I'll just wrap it a million times.
Thanks for watching The Classy Cheapskate, and I hope you enjoy your free month of jewelry.